Assalamualaikum students, Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. This is your maths class today. We are going to start with unit number 10, factorization of algebraic expressions. So first we should know what is factorization. Factorization is simply the process of breaking any number into its factors. But in this chapter, we are going to factorize algebraic expressions. Right, so the process of finding components or factors of an expression rather than a number is called its factorization. Now moving towards its exercise, it's on page number 129, exercise 10a. See the question here, resolve into factors. So we are going to find the factors of all the expressions which we are given. Okay, question number 1 is p square q plus pq square. Right, we cannot apply any formula on here. Okay, we cannot apply any formula on this. P square q plus pq square, the only thing that we can do is we can take something as common. The thing which is present in both of these terms, we can take that as common. So we have taken pq as common because it is present in both of these terms. It is common in both of these terms. So pq we have taken as common, and the remaining terms are in this bracket, which are p plus q. Okay, now moving towards question number 2, 3x cube minus 15x square y. Here again we have to do the same thing which we have done with question number 1, 3x cube minus 15x square y. So in the coefficients, 3 is the common, 3 is the multiple of 15 as well, and in the variables, x raised to the power cube, and in the second term we have x raised to the power 2. So we can take a smaller power as common, right? So we have taken 3x squared as common, and the remaining terms will be in this bracket, and which are x minus 5y. So we have find the factors of the question. 3x squared multiplied by x minus 5y are the factors of 3x cubed minus 15x squared y. Okay, now moving towards question number 3, which is 45y4 minus 9xy cubed. Again we can take 9 as common because 9 in the table of 9, 45 also exists. Okay, and if we talk about the variables, then first term have 4 times y and second term has 3 times y. We take a smaller power as common, right? So we have taken 9y cube as common, and remaining terms are in this bracket, which are 5y minus x. Now why 5y? Because 9 5s are 45. Okay, and we have taken y cube as common, therefore the remaining term is y raised to the power 1 minus y is the second term x, because 9 we have taken 9 as common, it's outside of the bracket. Also we have taken y cube as common, so the only term which we are left with is x here. Alright, so these are the factors of 45y4 minus 9xy cube. Now moving towards question number 4, 6p square cube plus 12pq square. Again we need to take something as common. We have taken 6pq as common because these are the variables that are present in both of these terms. Now the remaining terms are in this bracket. 6 ones are 6. There are 2p, 1p is outside of the bracket, therefore the second p must be in the bracket, right? Q is single here, which is outside of the bracket, so we didn't write it here. Then plus sign, 6 2s are 12. P is outside of the bracket, so we don't need to write it in this bracket. Q, there are 2 times q, 1 is outside, so 1 must be in the bracket, right? So these are the factors of 6p square q plus 12pq square, right? Now moving towards question number 5, which is 5a4b square plus 15a square b4, right? Now we have taken 5a square b square as common, and the remaining terms are, there are 4 times a, 2 times a are outside of the bracket, so 2 times a must be in this bracket, right? So we have written a square in the bracket, then plus sign, 5 3s are 15, a square is outside, b4, b is 4 times, right? We have taken b square as common, So the remaining b square must be in this bracket, right? So we got the answer as 5a square b square into a square plus 3b square. These are the factors that we are asked to find. Now question number 6, xy plus x plus y plus 1. First, observe the first two terms, right? X is common here because x present in both of the two terms, both of the starting two terms, right? So we have taken x as common and the remaining terms are y plus 1, right? And the next two terms we have taken 1 as common and the remaining terms are y plus 1. Why this? Because 1 y is a y plus 1 1 is a 1, right? So these are the two terms that we have now, and in these two terms y plus 1 is common in both of these. Okay, so we have taken y plus 1 as common and the remaining terms are x plus 1, so we have also put it in the bracket. Alright, so these are the factors of xy plus x plus y plus 1. Now your homework is find the factors of 36, and second question is resolve into factors 2x square minus 8xy and 36x square y minus 6xy square. So these are the three questions which you have to do in your schoolwork copy, right? Take the screenshot of it. Thank you.